So I've been working on that debug visualization for my most recent post. The reason is I'm trying to make a YouTube video that will explain in detail how the physics of JellyCar work. And in order to make that video, I need to be able to showcase how, although the game looks like this when you play it, under the hood it's really just a bunch of points. These are called point masses, and each point is being simulated individually. It has its own position and its own velocity. And then they're grouped together with lines to make shapes. And that's how collision detection happens. That's why I can't get through this little rectangular door here. And actually the car is bending and coming back to its shape because the car and many other objects have springs inside them. And those springs are what keeps the individual points in their shape. There's also a thing called shape matching, which is another method, and it's also used to make the animated objects that move up and down as well. So, looks kind of cool, right? Here you can see what it looks like when the car gets squished according to the physics system. I can even get a little bit ridiculous and turn on velocities, and now you can see the velocity of each point as well. Which, when the car's driving around, the tires produce pretty mesmerizing circular velocity like that. So yeah, this is how the JellyCar actually looks under the hood. And in making this, I ended up with this kind of cool chalkboard type display. So I think at some point I'll find a way to make this some kind of secret unlockable visual in the game or something. It's definitely not going to be in there anytime soon, but it is pretty cool looking, right? So anyway, that's how a game that looks like this is actually made up of this.